How you feeling, Nate?
So happy.
So we are here at a awesome leather workshop, and Ailani and I are gonna make cool stuff today. Nate, what are you gonna make?
I'm gonna make a keychain.
Show me the keychain.
Wow.
Oh my god, it's a little elephant.
Yeah, I'm gonna make both of these. I wanna make it like those two colors.
Show me.
This is like a tannish brown. This is brown, of course.
Now, my turn. I'm making a wallet. I've had a wallet for a long time, but I'm getting a new wallet today, and this is my red wallet. Pretty cool.
This is a compass
Yeah.
used to make a straight line on leather.
Okay.
Like this one on the edge.
Got it.
And you see a line right here.
Perfect.
Like this.
Yeah.
And this one is this piece.
Ah, so we need,
So you just need to print. Except this one.
oh, except for the top.
Yeah.
Weird. It's like the stitching and like the.
Ah. That's where we're doing the stitching. Punching it, bro.
See?
Earlier, I was like doing this, I almost smashed my hand.
Almost smashed her hand, but she didn't.
One piece, like
Just on
this
the bottom.
part is a little hard to do. You have to like
Just down here.
use like
here?
one spike.
So, it's compass. I'm gonna line the line right along here, here, and one on the bottom.
Oh,
This one lines up there. Right.
Với lại con một cái đây.
Slowly. Leather work, you go nice and slow. Come on.
I messed up that one. So I would do this part. So there is lines in this. So I will have to cut those lines. So I can
Very carefully.
very carefully so I can have this. When I'm studying at school, I sometimes get too bored, so I normally like get paper, cut it, and I cut it like here.
Right, now we're gonna focus. Now she'll focus. Two. It's not easy cutting leather, is it?
I thought it's super easy.
1,000 years later. You've done two.
Oh gosh, it's like 1,000 more to do.
We're filming you. Here's Nate.
Hello, man.
How are you doing?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Oh, I got
Anh với mẹ hả?
không? Mẹ thì đủ rồi, sao mẹ tự không tự được?
Okay, so it's next level stress right now. I'm gonna take this little guy and hole punch a bunch of little holes in this thing. Hey, how much of that have you finished yet, Nate?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And like 1,000 left to go. Here we go. Watch it. See, I gotta put this on one hole, and I'm gonna take the hammer. I'm gonna hit it.
Weird.
Failure, not a failure, success. I am going to go and pick the, oh my God, color. Nate, you wanna help me pick the color? Oh, color of fabric. What color should I
Dark
pick?
red, dark red, dark.
Dark red, or could I do like a blue?
Oh,
Right.
dark red or black.
I think.
Dark red or black. Dark red or black.
So Ailani says dark red or black. I don't know. I'm gonna pick a color here in a second. I think we gotta go with burgundy. Classic. Can I do them?
Yeah, do. Okay.
She said it was okay. I did not fail yet. That's good. Let's do this. Gotta come in the back. Pop up the front. Flip it over. Back under. And my nice stitching right there. Looking good. It's about 10,000 years later is what it is.
Sorry if I'm not smiling. I just really focused.
It's okay. We're all doing the best job we can. That's okay. Nee's talking trash about the bag I made for her mom. Meanwhile, Nee is... I'm gonna put the loading symbol on the screen and it's gonna be like 10% loading.
Like, you're so rude. You're not even done with yours. Wait,
But I'm further along than you are.
I have more hardware.
All right. Well, we're both pretty high level difficulty. I gotta use this tiny little thing again. And I forgot my glasses at home. And because I'm old, I can't see close. So this is next level difficult right now too.
Oh, I wish I was on Canva. Like, just like copy this, paste it over here, copy style.
Yeah, sadly, copy paste doesn't work in real life. So no, you just have to keep cutting.
When you say that, it made me sweat even more.
My turn. Now I gotta sew again. Without my glasses. Level up.
Almost done.
Getting there. Good job, Nee. Nee's almost done. I got half of my wallet sewn. Now I'm gonna work on the next step. Here we go. Now we're gonna glue the pieces all together, and then I gotta go around the outside. More glue.
Okay. Not even done.
Almost done though. She is almost done. Good job, Ailani.
This is like me solving math problems, but I never get them done.
Sweet success. Ailani finally finished. How you feel, Nee?
So happy.
Happy, 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 happy.
Great job, Ailani. I'm now punching out the holes on my wallet, and we are both making progress on our goals. What do you got, Nee?
Stitch this. Gosh. Oh gosh, dude, I want to be poking your hand.
Got one part of my wallet done. Now I'll work on the other side. Both sides.
Okay, I'm trying not to poke me.
Nice.
Needle. Don't use this.
Okay, Lord.
Don't use a needle without your parents.
That's right.
I know. Please just keep following her. Put the thread back into the nail. She makes it look so easy. Look, she has long nails. Go ahead, can you find me? Good done. Nice. Khúc này chắc là được rồi đấy. Cô sẽ con muốn thon để cô xài. Don't use a lighter if you're under 20.
Unless you have a teacher there showing you what to do.
Yeah.
Mỗi lần con cuốn, con sẽ chét thêm keo ở cái mặt này cho nó dính vô đây luôn. Yes, cuốn tới đâu là chét thêm keo.
Make sure you're not rolling down, Nee. Keep this way, tight, like that. Tighter.
Lady. Sean, what would you like? Mary Sean.
Wow. Too much. Don't beat up. Hold on.
Bây giờ con sẽ lấy cái miếng này quấn anh này lại. Không biết. Lấy hạt keo thì may lại một bên, xong rồi con đục mấy cái lỗ trên đây.
Làm
Không, con nghĩ để đường ở đây chứ.
We're getting there.
Một đường.
Now I'm doing the other side, and Ailani finished the spiral thingy. How you feeling, Nee?
a little stressed. I don't want to mess this up.
What happens if we make mistakes? We learn.
No, we do it again.
Cool. If we make mistakes, we simply learn and we fix it. So we don't have to be scared of mistakes. We just do our best. See what happens. I'm doing my best. Almost poked myself in the eye though.
So, almost smashing my hand 2 times. I'm making these holes so like we can sew it.
I'm excited because they got to put my Growing Money podcast name on my wallet, which is pretty cool.
Cái
Because when you put effort into the things you're doing,
กันไม่ค่ะ
you get cool stuff.
Okay, so I am making like the leaf. It's like this. This is the like example that they gave. I'm making this thing. I'm officially done with the leaf.
What'd you do?
I sewed this line. It's like the vein of the leaf down there. Yeah, it's not really done yet, but it has progress.
So I finished one side and it's got growing money across the bottom. Got the other side that I'm stitching here that I got to put on the back of the wallet. Meanwhile, Ailani is almost done.
So I had to put these two like together. So earlier when I was doing this leaf, I used like this is like a silver pen, which you can like erase by scrubbing it. And you use it for letter, so you can see those like white stripes, right? So they use that to like mark where they want it to like be, and they want it to make it straight. So you can use this to erase it. Oh, okay. Oh. It actually cleans this really fast. And if it's like too wet, you can use a tissue. Ailani. So I got this in. She helped me like make it like a bigger hole so I can put it in. And yeah, I just put it in now. There's still one more step.
One more step for me, and I got a lot more to go. So I was talking trash too early, and I'm gonna get destroyed here. We are getting closer. My wallet's coming along. I got all the holes punched in. I'm gonna sew the inner, middle, and outer pieces together, which is pretty cool. I've got the shape of my wallet together, and I've got to do a double stitch down this way. And Ailani is over here doing her thing. What do you got, Miguel? What's on? Oh, you made a little Christmas part to it. Merry Christmas.
I'm gonna make like the outline like this, but with only red.
Only red. Happy holidays. I think we're doing pretty good for being pure beginners. Well, Nee's a pure beginner. I had like 2 classes and forgot everything.
Okay, so she is closing it for me. After she's done that, I will do this. But it's not this color.
Oh my god. That's so bunberry.
What? I don't care. It's not y'all's.
So I'm stitching. I am doing a double stitch. Oh, Nick, stop for a second. Let me talk. I'm doing a double stitch along. Doing a double stitch along the edge of the wallet so I can finish up my wallet. We are almost done. So I had to be super focused to go all the way around and got to this. I am literally like this close to being done. And yeah, now my teacher is gonna smack me and say it's wrong.
No, everyone's doing it.
Yeah.
That's for you.
Oh, see? Yeah, Ailani.
Same treasure.
Alright.
There's no
Sword ever.
Hello. Mini handy. I have succeeded and it is done. So happy Natasha has my name, has everything I need. We're going over to the elephant head. A little flat now, but I'll tune into this. Just wait and watch. Here's the fun part. Elephant, Fred. So she already like put the thread into the elephant. So now we're just gonna have to pull it. Okay. Yay. Into elephant builder. I will give the elephant lashes. Cause they have this pen. Yeah, I'm gonna make her or him look pretty. Guys, I have my elephant. You're not even finished.
No. I've got so much more to do.
He said, you're still gonna be cutting this
And I'm gonna be done with my wallet. I don't know.
I was wrong, okay? I was wrong.
Oh gosh. Can I do one more thing?
I don't. You didn't pay for one more thing, Nate.
Okay, I will show you guys the shop. There's all these really beautiful like bags. One other shop will help you with this. Like you will do the letter, and I think the sewing will like the other shop. Me and my dad would recommend this bag for my mom. So we're intending to make it for Christmas for her. It's really beautiful. Okay, this is I think a double stitch thing. So here we have like a lot of bracelets. I really like this one. So like I really want to like write Ailani on here. So yeah, here are some wallets. So these are really nice. And here's an elephant. And this is also like a keychain where you can write your name. And here is the thread. So lots of colors.
We are sanding down the corners of my wallet so that we can make it smooth. Almost done. Just a couple more steps and then we have some beautiful leather products. So what we're doing is we're burnishing the sides of the leather. So we gotta put this burnishing gum on and then we're gonna rub it with this wooden stick. It binds the leather all together. Start on the bottom. Start on the bottom with the big side, I guess. Dave, what'd you make?
So I made this. It took a long time, but I did it before my dad even made his wallet.
Talk to me about what were some of the steps.
So I had to cut this a long time. After I cut this, I like glued this top thing and then she helped me stitch this part because it's a little hard. So after I did that, I moved on to the leaf. This they had the shape of it already, but I stitched it and like poked the holes. And after that, I wrote my name on this paper so they can like write it in this. Beautiful. So after that, I moved on to this like Christmas thing. And last of all, elephant boy.
Okay, my turn. I made a wallet. It's a beautiful red wallet. It has growing money on the inside, which is pretty awesome. And both of us are extremely happy and we're definitely coming back to make some more stuff. Nee, what are you gonna make next time?
I want to make this wallet. It has a lot of storage. What I need here, it's a lot of storage. So like I can put like my cards, my money. Yeah. Next time, what are you gonna get next time?
Next time, I don't know. Next time I'll probably make something for your mom. But that's it for today. We hope you guys had fun and we'll see you guys next time.
Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye.